Don't worry, I wouldn't be filming if I was going anywhere. I got out of the doctor's office and it dumped like 4 inches plus of snow outside. I was only in there for like an hour and a half. It is insane. And I have been sitting here and I've moved like maybe 50 yards in the last 15 minutes. Well, I'm getting on the freeway now, so therefore I'm getting off. But this is just crazy. Just like you want to see. Look at that. Look at all the snow on my hood. That was brushed off when I left. It is coming down like crazy. Seriously, check out this freeway. This is the freeway. Look how much snow is on the freeway. You can't even see anything in front of us, around us. It is a complete whiteout. So much fun to drive home in. I woke up to take my dog outside this morning and he fell in a hole. Look how much snow fell overnight. Look at this. It's above the threshold on our door. I bet there's, oh, a good 15 inches, 16 inches that literally fell overnight. It's so dark. I'll show you over here. It's like not even 7 in the morning. Sophia woke up early. Look at all that snow. That seriously fell from 3 o'clock yesterday. Right now it's about 6:30 in the morning. And that fell just in one night. And it's still snowing. It's supposed to snow for 3 days. Like, look next to our house. This is our wainscoting up here, which is like 4 feet up. And look at the snow. Unreal. This is like the 3rd or 4th time this year that we've got 11 inches or more overnight. It's crazy. The trampoline's totally covered. I need to go and take all the snow off or it's going to collapse. And the snow plows can't keep up at all. I'll go show you the front. It's going to be really dark for a minute. The snow plows can't keep up at all. There's one run down the middle of our road and all the school got canceled. And they do not cancel school here very easily because we get a lot of snow around here, but this is insane. People are out snow blowing this morning already. Let's see if turn the light on. This is just our front porch. But you can see the mailbox will have to come out when it gets a little lighter out. There's one pass down the center of the street and it's already got about 1 inch of snow on it, and next to it there's like 8 inches of snow. So everybody's pretty much snowed in. Taylor's staying home from school today. My husband's staying home from work today. We can't leave anywhere. We can't even get out of our driveways. My dog won't go to the bathroom because he falls in the snow. Anyways, crazy, crazy snowstorms. Guys, see how funny this is? My dog needs to go outside really bad. But when he goes out, he falls down in the snow. So he won't go anywhere. Let's clear up to his back. Go potty next. He just keeps coming back in. Okay, it's lighter out now, so I thought I would come back out and show you. Look at our mailbox. It's like almost more than half covered. I mean, a garbage can. You see our garbage can? You know how big garbage cans are? It's practically covered. It is an insane amount of snow. They've got one strip down the center of our street. Oh, it looks like they may have gone 2 passes now. But like even on top of our railing, where a lot of snow doesn't typically stick, there's like, 11 inches or more. It's insane. This is a better look at our backyard. Look at all that snow. I kid you not, this was like, what, 16 hours? And it's still totally coming down hard. Our retaining wall back there, you can't even see anymore. It looks like a big giant sledding hill. The kids are going to have fun today. I need to come and shovel that trampoline off. It's like probably maybe 3.5, 4 feet off the ground. There's like 18 inches between the snow, top of the snow and the top of the trampoline now. It is insane. So much snow. It's so pretty. So happy all the schools are canceled today. Taylor doesn't even know yet. He's still sleeping, so he will be so excited. There's our carpet. There's the step. There's the snow. That shows how high it is above the threshold of our doors. We're like literally snowed in. We're not going anywhere today.